of women, of mass graves, of the assaults, the rapes. I have here in front of me the chronology of what I call terrible despair. The figures are shocking. I won't repeat them, but they go into hundreds of thousands. And for all of us who have worked with human rights organizations the world over, because this crosses borders. This crosses borders, it crosses party lines. And I'm proud to say that I am from the party of Benazir Bhutto Shaheed, who made February 5th a marker of the Day of Solidarity. And I'm also proud to say that all the parties of Pakistan and the people here in this room who pay heed to the call of Kashmir are very clear about one thing, that we are here to show moral, political, diplomatic support. We are here, secondly, to remind the world that there is no military solution to this egregious and long-standing problem, and also that peace is now